In today's video, I will teach you how to add a fireball explosion effect to photos in GIMP. Let's get started. Start by opening the image that you want to add the fireball and explosion effect to in GIMP. If needed, adjust the brightness of the image using appropriate tools in GIMP to ensure the effect looks cohesive with your image. You can do this by adjusting the brightness and contrast of the photo. Now, duplicate the image layer and change the duplicate layers mode to overlay in the layers panel. Now, create a new layer and name it Block Explosion. Select black as the color and use the paintbrush tool with the clouds brush to paint smoke. Vary the brush in size to achieve a realistic effect. Create a new layer and paint it with an orange color. Then change the layer mode to multiply. Again, create a new layer and paint with the same orange color. Then change the layer mode to dodge for a fire explosion effect. Now we're going to add circle and blur. Create another new layer above all layers. Then draw a small circle and fill it with orange. Then apply Gaussian blur by going to Filter, Blur, then Gaussian blur, and set the value to 25. Then change the layer mode to dodge. Now, import an image of an explosion to your document and adjust its size as needed. Change the layer mode to multiply. Reduce the opacity of the explosion layer to 50%. Then create a new layer and paint a fireball with black color. Then create another new layer and paint with orange. And change the layer mode to multiply. Once again, create a new layer, paint with orange, and change the layer mode to dodge for a brighter fire effect. Then create another layer, change the layer mode to dodge, and paint with yellow to create a realistic flame effect. Then add a texture layer, such as a photo of a concrete wall, above all layers. Then change its layer mode to burn, and lower the opacity to about 50%. Then add another layer in front of all layers and use the blend tool or the gradient tool to fill it with a gradient from yellow to black. Then change the layer mode to overlay. Create a new layer above all layers. Then fill it with black and apply lighting effects by going to Filters, Light and Shadows, and Lighting Effects. Then change the layer mode to overlay and lower the opacity to 85%. Now, create a new layer above all layers and fill it with an orange color. Then change the layer mode to overlay. And there you have it. You've successfully created a fireball and explosion effect in GIMP. Experiment with different settings and techniques to customize the effect to your liking. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.